Public Attorney's Office or PAO Chief Persida Acosta favors the grant of executive clemency to deserving inmates. PAO has recommended the grant of presidential pardon to over 8,000 prisoners. Haji Camino with the details.
Public Attorney's Office Chief Attorney Persida Acosta believes it's about time to grant executive clemency to worthy inmates. This is in line with the much-awaited visit of Pope Francis to the Philippines, which is happening next week. In the decongestion program and medical mission conducted by PAO at Camp Bagong Diwa in Taguig City, Acosta said she's hoping that President Aquino signs and grants executive clemency immediately.
Ang final say kasi dyan ay sa kamay ng ating mahal na Pangulo, Benigno S. Aquino. At sa akin, sa totoo lang, kahit iilan ang ma-clemency, masaya na ako doon. Dahil nasusulat, isang tao, isang kaluluwa lang ang makapagbalik loob, magsisi, ay nagkakatuwa ng mga angels sa langit. Ganun din. Ito ang kapangyarihan ng Pangulo na magbigay ng clemency ay isang power from the people through our Constitution. At power of God mismo na sambayanan gumawa ng batas. So ito'y kapangyarihang galing sa Diyos at sa Konstitusyon na nasa ating Pangulo. So, siya kasi ang may final say dyan. At aking pinananabikan at inihintay kung kailan niya pipirmahan, kung may pipirmahan siya.
Thousands of inmates were recommended by PAO before the Board of Pardons and Parole. At the new Bilibid prison in Muntinlupa City, 2,000 out of the 14,000 prisoners were recommended for executive clemency. Acosta confirmed there are high-profile and political inmates who were recommended by PAO together with ordinary ones. However, she refused to name any. The PAO chief enumerated the criteria for an inmate to be given executive clemency.
Seriously ill or yung tagal ng pagkakakulong, dahil kung maximum 30, kung 25, 26 years na, okay na yon. Yung kanyang age, old age, and then yung makikitang wala ng propensity to commit any crime. Na wala ng kagaya, yung kahapon sa MVP, nilabas yung 3 paralitiko na talagang naka-wheelchair na, hindi nakakatayo, hindi nakakalakad. So sa tingin ko sila ay wala nang kakayanang, kumbaga sasabihin makagawa ng crime o...
Meanwhile, PAO conducted medical, dental and optical checkup as well as free legal counseling for inmates at Taguig City Jail. Acosta had the chance to talk with different inmates including Attorney Gigi Reyes, who was the former Chief of Staff of Senator Juan Ponce Enrile.
Okay siya, she's okay. And then at least sabi niya maganda ang pagtrato sa mga inmates dito ng ating BGMP. So nagagalak naman ako dahil positive ang remarks ng ating mga inmates patungkol sa BGMP. So isang magandang accomplishment din yan ng ating pamahalaan na yung karapatang pantao ng lahat ng ating inmates ay napoproteksyonan.
Inmates who are members of the CPP-NPA also expressed interest in peace talks with the national government. For the People's Television Network, this is Haji Camino.